In this video, I'm going to show you how to print in Excel with lines. If you look at this particular Excel sheet we have here, you discover that all I have here is just an imaginary line, of which if you are to print it, these lines will not appear. Now, let's say you click on Ctrl P. You can bear with me that those lines are not there. To make sure that you have those lines included so that it will all be captured, you just have to click on Ctrl A. Ctrl A will highlight all the things you are working with in this Excel sheet. The moment you are done, you come over to where we have border, then click on all border. Of course, with this, you can see that line showing up here. You can see the line has actually been included in this Excel printing that you want to do. You can just simply click on print and it will be printed for you. Now let me just export it as PDF and then let's see how it goes with this. You can see this is in PDF format. Simply double click on it and then you can see that those lines are already there for you. You can just zoom it and then you see all the lines. And so this is just a simple way to print in Excel with lines being included in that Excel sheet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit a like, subscribe to this channel, and then do well to come back for more videos on this particular channel. Thank you.